स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिं हरिषड्वर्गजेतारं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दम्.
There are so many techniques from Shiva Sutras. How do I choose the right one for me? Please advise. I think I answered this question, but again I can answer. Play with any technique which you feel connected. The moment you hear about the technique, if it rings bell in your heart, if you feel connected, play with the technique for just 2-3 days. Suddenly you will see it will click. If it clicks, that is the technique for you. Otherwise, don't bother, go to the next. Within 24 hours, usually the initiation will happen with any technique. 24 hours is more than enough to have that initiation, the first click. If the click happened, then that is your technique. Let's enter into the sutras. Here is the sphere change of change. Change through change, consume change. Another new and clear bomb Shiva is throwing. Every sutra, when I read, I feel through the whole body that joy is flowing. Because every line can liberate. All you need is an intense seeking and the search for the reality. Usually, we do not understand feeling of unfulfillment or suffering comes to us because we are not seeking the truth. We constantly think this is reason, that is reason, that is reason. You are constantly blaming the leaves and branches of the tree for your problems. You do not blame the root. Root is the problem. Root is responsible for branches and leaves. But you are constantly thinking leaves are the difficult, leaves are the problems. You try to cut the leaves, cut the branches. You don't understand the science. The more you cut the branches, the more it will grow. Actually, if you cut more, it will grow much better. That is what we are doing. Constantly for all our problems, we are identifying small reasons. You are not understanding. You are problem. Don't think you are having problem. You are problem. Realization that you are problem is what I call seeking. Then you will start seeking the complete solution, the right answer. If you have problem due to some reason, talk to others during the break. You will understand. Somebody comes and tells me, Swamiji, I have a son, that is the problem. The other guy says, I don't have a son, that is the problem. Third guy says, I have 2 sons, that is the big problem. Whatever you may think as problem, you will see in the other person the same reason in the opposite way, that will be the problem. So there is nothing like you having a problem, you are a problem. There is no having problem. You need to understand very clearly the very existence about you, you need to analyze. You need to make yourself understand. Seeking the truth will burn whatever you call as problems. The whole thing will disappear. Just if you have that simple intense seeking, every line from Mahadeva can liberate.